Hello and welcome to the Business Standard Banking Show. In line with most public sector banks, Punjab and Sindh Bank also reported healthy set of numbers for the July-September quarter, with net profit rising 27.5% to 278 crore, while asset quality has also improved. We today have Swarup Saha, MD and CEO of Punjab and Sindh Bank, to talk about the future roadmap for the bank. Mr. Saha, welcome to the show.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Saha.
Punjab and Sindh Bank reported healthy growth in retail and MSME advances, 19% and 17.5% respectively in the second quarter. What is the overall loan growth target you are looking for the current financial year?
Yeah. We are, as far as earlier guidance also, when we finished our Q1 results, we had given an overall credit growth target of above 15%. In September quarter, we have done a 9.12%. So we stick to the guidance of 15% plus for the overall financial year. That is our guidance, and that will be driven primarily by these growth in the retail agri and MSME segment of plus 20%. We are targeting between 20 to 22% growth, and in the corporate segment, we are targeting a growth of 7 to 8%. So now we are at 9% plus. So we are keeping the guidance still on the 15% growth.
Was it a conscious strategy to grow corporate book much slower than the RAM book, the retail, MSME and agriculture, because the portion of corporate in the total advances has come down on an year-on-year basis?
Yeah. See, a bank of our size with a advance of around 74,000 crores needs to balance its portfolio very judiciously. And therefore, in the past, when the bank was going through a cycle of high NPA and losses, the bank took a conscious decision to move away from the corporate, primarily corporate segment to primarily a RAM segment. So the earlier the ratios were at 55-45 in terms of percentage terms, in favor of the corporate segment. Now we are rebalancing that portfolio and making it a reverse, and we are intending to grow towards 55% of RAM and 45% of corporate advances. So that is what, because we are a very small in size in terms of the relative size in terms of within the public sector space. So we feel that we will grow qualitatively now, having come out of nearly 4 years of losses. And now that we have turned around last year with a good number of net profit of 1,039 crores, we want to maintain that momentum and maintain it in a judicious way going forward.
So what is the deposit growth target you are looking for the current financial year?
As of now, I'm looking anything between 10 to 12% on deposits. With a 15% growth in the credit side, I need to also balance my portfolio and looking into a 10 to 12% growth in the deposit side.
But coming back to CASA, in a rising interest rate scenario, don't you think it's very challenging to get CASA deposits, because people will like to more have their money in the savings deposit, because fixed deposit in the fixed deposit, because rates are gone up in the fixed deposit side?
Yeah. See, as an intermediary bankers, we provide the platform to a customer to open a savings account first with us, right? Now, if I suppose I was talking of the success story of the salary accounts. Now, a government employee maintaining his salary account with us, if I can increase the number, and if I increase the products with them, any customer, a salaried account will do some mutual fund investment, will do some health insurance, will do some credit card business. Particularly if he is a credit card holder, he will maintain a minimum balance in his account to maintain his bills. Right. So these are the products which get integrated into a normal savings account, which lifts my CASA. So my retail term deposit will also plays an important role, but this is operating expenses for which a customer maintains a savings account balance for his operating expenses.
Now, coming to the asset quality part, while asset quality has improved, but gross NPA is still high at about 9.67%. So one is, of course, recovery. You can beef up recovery to lower the gross NPAs. But apart from that, are you also planning to sell NPAs to NARCL?
We have 7 accounts identified amounting to 1,590 crores. So those accounts are under discussion. So that we hope some of them will at least get resolved, one or two in the current quarter, and maybe some will in the next quarter. So as the resolutions happen, I think everyone will come to know about it. So we are hopeful that some resolutions will get from that, and we also old NCLT accounts, which are where we are 99% already provided for. We expect some good chunky recoveries in those accounts. So that will also we have kept in mind while we are talking on asset quality. So we have brought it now to below 10%. Our guidance was in June quarter when we declared our results to bring the gross NPA below 10%. We have already brought it below 9.67%. So going forward, there's a lot of scope to further reduce it. And maybe we have kept a guidance of below 9% now. But if all the NARCL resolutions happen, maybe we can go below 8% also by the end of the financial year.
Mr. Saha, thank you so much for speaking to us. It was a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you, Mr. Saha.